Hey everyone, I'm Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and it's been a while since we've actually done a What's in the Box, and a lot of people have been asking why we haven't. Well, truth be told, we've been busy with obviously other content, so reviews, time-lapse builds, and all the other good stuff that you've seen on our YouTube channel as of late. But it's time to do another one because we had, well, a bit of a haul come through from Aquatuning and Alphacool. So I guess really we should just jump in and see what it's all about. So let's start with this one. As you can see, it's quite a long box, so I'm guessing, because I mean I actually know what parts I've requested, so I'm guessing this is probably going to be some kind of tubing. So it's just a matter really of trying to get it open. And yes, before anyone comments, I am using my same trusty little knife. I keep saying it every time I do these What's in the Box videos, I really need a new one. But I think because I haven't done any in a while, yeah, I've just kind of stayed with that. So let's see what we've got. Apart from the usual packaging material, there is quite a lot of stuff to go through here. So, starting off, we do have some tubing. So, this is some PETG. So here we have our clear PETG tubing. So, got that for a few builds. So I've actually got one pack of that. I've got another pack. These are all 1310 mil in size. And I'm guessing another. Okay, so yeah, quite a lot of this. So obviously there's 4 in each pack. They're 80 centimeters each. So we've got that. We also have, this is definitely different because it's a lot harder. A lot harder and weighs a lot more. Okay, so this is actually the chrome. I think they actually brand it as brass, but yeah, brass chrome. But I was on the impression that it was actually going to be copper, but you know, we shall see. But yeah, we have some chrome tubing. So I'm actually planning to do a build with the Lian Li Lancool one, which is going to involve this. So just need to figure out the cleanest way to do it in terms of cuts and things like that. But they have sent us quite a few of these in various packages. Yeah, it's actually quite a lot here. Other things that we've got are some, I always kind of struggle with the name, Etzapfen, but basically these are your valves that you can use for like drain ports and things like that, so you can actually stop the flow, start the flow. So they sent me some in black, as well as some in silver as well. So we've got all of that ready for some nice looking builds. We also have a Aurora XPX RGB frame in chrome. I've already got one of these, but I did want another one purely because all the time I'm using the first one, obviously I can't do like a secondary build or anything like that. So it was kind of handy to get another one sent in. We also have a Ice Block XPX. This is the sandblasted plexi version. Alphacool fittings. Okay, so just some of the sort of stoppers to put onto the end. I got them all in black, and I think there should be some silver ones as well. We have a few different fittings as well for the brass tubes with sort of a knurled end on it. So we've got them in silver, and I'm guessing somewhere there's some in black as well. We have some, and these are probably one of the nicest things to use if you are looking at sort of starting out with water cooling, and that's the quick release fittings, because you can just release them like that, and obviously none of your fluid comes out. So if you are kind of new to using water cooling and stuff like that, these are really, really handy to have. So thank you very much to Alphacool for all this stuff. Got lots more fittings in here as well. These are more of the fittings for the brass tubes. So obviously you can, from what I can tell, you can use the normal fittings, but there are ones specifically made for the brass stuff. So it does make sense to obviously try and utilize that just for that extra kind of, you know, fitment. I'm going to put these on the floor now just because essentially it's all the same stuff that I've already got out here. And I want to get sort of, you know, to see what we've got in this big box here. So yeah, let's try and move some of this out of the way and get that on the table and get it open. Okay, so again, trying to open this up with my trusty knife. I'm not actually sure what's in here, because like I say, I do remember the stuff that I actually requested, and I was pretty sure that was it. So in here, besides the general packaging material, I know what this is. So this is a whole box of more tubing. So essentially what we've got here is some of the chrome tubing, and I'll open up one to show you guys. is the chrome tubing, but in a 90 degree. Because obviously you can and can't cut this and bend it and whatnot. Because it is plated on the outside, if you did want to sort of, you know, be able to bend this, then you'd have to use something like a kiln. The problem is most people don't have a kiln, especially when it comes to custom loop water cooling. So what they have to do is buy the 90 degree bends and then just sort of cut down to the size that they want. Obviously, if you did try to sort of bend this using a pipe bender, there is a chance that all of the outer material would actually start cracking. Then you'd have to go somewhere to get it kind of plated or chromed and sort it all out again. So basically, I have a whole box of that, essentially. So I'm pretty sure that's all that's in here. I say pretty sure. Oh yeah, I've got some normal soft tubing as well. So again, 13/10mm. I've got 3 meter packs of these. So again, lots of stuff just to keep us going when it comes to water cooling. As you guys know, I'm a big kind of ambassador of Alphacool. I think their products are really, really good. They're very good value for money. I do use EK, I use Bits Power as well. But when it comes to value for money, you cannot really beat Alphacool for their stuff. Whether it be soft tubing, whether it be hard tubing, or whether it be, you know, something a bit different with chrome and stuff like that. I'm hoping that they actually start developing some sort of more colors. I know that Bits Power do chrome, but they do it in like red, blue, black, white. So it'd be really nice to sort of see Alphacool do that. And hopefully we're going to get some RTX blocks in from them as well, so we can start seeing exactly what we can do with some RTX cards from NVIDIA in a full custom loop with all this good stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, click the little bell notification, smash that like button, leave us a comment below. Let us know, is this the sort of video that you like seeing? Do you like seeing the What's in the Box series? If so, we will continue to do some more. What sort of water cooling stuff do you want to see as well? We need feedback from you so we can obviously produce the videos for you. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. See you later.